This is the most terrifying sound in the universe, and it's coming from a black hole. NASA managed to capture the sound of the Perseus galaxy cluster, and it sounds like a choir of the damned. If you fell into one, time would stop for you. As you approach the event horizon, you would experience spaghettification. Your body would be stretched like a noodle, atom by atom, until you simply cease to exist. Inside, there is only infinite density, a place where even light is trapped forever. Nothing comes out, not even your scream. Comment void if you feel small now, and listen again to the most terrifying sound in the universe.